Hello, friends. This is Anila from Learn and Play with Miss Anila. We are going to be reading this book today. Do you see Blippi? Yes, this is Blippi on the cover page. We're going to be reading Baby Farm Animals. Let's count how many circles are here with different animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, there are 10 baby animals, and we're going to listen to their sound, and we're going to hear Blippi. Okay, let's turn the page. Let's meet all the baby animals on the farm and act like them too. Run like a border collie puppy and bark like one.
Are you ready? Bark like a puppy.
These puppies are going to herd sheep when they grow up. Ruff, ruff. The cute little lambs are going to be sheep when they grow up. Baa, baa.
Baa like a lamb.
It's time to explore everything around you, like you're a curious little kitten. Look, there are butterflies over here. The kitty is playing with the butterflies.
Can you mew like a kitten?
Mew, mew, mew. Look, one kitten is checking out the calf. Moo, moo.
Moo as loud as you can.
Now stomp your hooves like a horse foal. Neigh, neigh.
Neigh like a baby horse.
Flap your wings like a chick. Chip, chip.
Cheep cheep like a chick.
Waddle like a duckling. Quack, quack.
Let's quack quack quack.
Act like a piglet and sniff the air with your snout. Oink, oink.
Oink oink like a baby pig.
Hee-haw, hee-haw. That's how a baby donkey sounds. Did you know a baby donkey is called a foal?
Bray like a donkey.
Can you climb like a kid? That's the name for a baby goat. Ma, ma.
Make sounds like a baby goat.
I love baby farm animals, and it's so much fun to act like them too. The end. I hope you enjoyed listening to the sounds of the animals, the baby animals, and also to Blippi's voice. Thank you so much for joining Miss Anila, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.